people quite often just log their CPD, have it done with, and think, I've done my 35 hours, I'm finished. Whereas actually, there's more to it. Today we're going to talk about how to continue your professional development. This is Tabitha, she's going to join us. So, first of all, what is CPD? Continuing Professional Development. You can do this in whatever career you're in or whatever job you do. It's about growing yourself as a professional and getting better at your job, or moving into sort of sideways. You think about the breadth and the depth of your job. So the breadth, you may be really good at these things, but actually it'd be really good if you can be good at all the things over here as well. The depth is, you may be decently good at, Excel, but you want to get even better and get deeper in there and really understand it. So when planning your CPD, that's sort of considerations to think about. Secondly, you've also got to think of what type of CPD, 1, suits the activity, and 2, suits you as a person. So I actually really like online modules and things that I can do at my own pace. I don't really like taught modules in a classroom. I just don't get on with them. But what I do like is conferences and networking events. I love talking to people and I love getting that triangulation. So I try to do both ends of the spectrum. If I just did everything by myself, reading books, watching YouTube, listening to podcasts, I wouldn't get that triangulation and that feedback loop on what I'm learning. So I also do a lot of networking, a lot of talking to other people, and a lot of just talking to other people online. I count that as CPD. To understand what I think about things and to kind of make sure that I'm critically evaluating what I'm doing. You can also include things like shadowing people at work, or maybe taking on new responsibilities at work that you are learning how to do. It could be formal training courses, it could be informal training courses, it could be anything. It could be reading magazine articles. So don't get bogged down to going, I have to go on a course to get 35 hours of CPD. It can be listening to a podcast on the way into work. It's so easy to just get those hours in. A lot of places say you need 35 hours of CPD a year. That's quite a common number, and actually that's less than an hour a week. You could easily get a few hours, a good 10 hours of that in just listening to podcasts, a good 5 hours of that in watching YouTube, and then go on a couple of day-long courses, and you've got your 35 hours. So it's really worth considering which ones are the best for you and thinking outside the box. As long as you can justify how it's helped you as a professional, it counts as CPD. Thanks for listening to the first video in my series about CPD. The next one is about planning your CPD and how to get your manager to pay for it. Press subscribe and press the bell if you want to get notifications about my next video, and don't forget to like and comment. I look forward to seeing you again. Bye!